Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, and today we're on the eBay app and I'm going to show you the best strategies for winning auctions. So this is just going to be basic strategy that works with a few advanced tips thrown in. So let's just find an item that's ending soon here. So this card ends in, hang on, this is a fake card, so I don't really even want to show this. So unfortunately, someone bid on that. Let's just tap on this one. So this is a card that ends in 5 minutes. So the best strategy that I've found is to know the exact price that you want to pay, the maximum amount that you're willing to pay for this item. So this card's currently at $15.50, and there's 73-cent shipping, and you'll also pay some taxes depending on what state you live in. So let's say the maximum amount we want to pay for this card is $22. So what we're going to do is tap place bid. First of all, notice the timer up in the top right corner. This is going to keep counting down to 0 seconds. I like to refresh it when it gets to about a minute, just to know that I have the latest time, it's up to date, it's refreshed. Then we're in the bidding screen with 1 minute left. So the next tip that I have, so let's say you want to pay $22, but maybe this is a popular item. So someone else might bid $22 as well. But if you really want this item, I recommend doing something like 22.02. Because someone else might do 22, someone else might think that they're slicker than that guy and bid 22.01. So I've actually won a lot of auctions this way, just doing something like 22.02 or 22.12, something like that, just to give you a little bit of an edge above those people that may also be bidding on this item. So now we have our price in here. The next thing is the time. Like, how much time do you need to make sure your bid goes through? For me, I always tap at 4 seconds. So when there's 4 seconds left, I tap confirm bid. That gives it plenty of time to go through, but also it's not going to go through fast enough where someone's going to be like, oh, someone bid more than me, let me bid last second. Once you bid, it's basically over. You just wait for the auction to finish and you see if you won the item. And that's why you want to know your maximum value that you're willing to pay. If it goes over that, just let it go. Move on to the next item. But yeah, that's the strategy that's worked for me. Know the maximum amount I want to pay. Maybe bid a little more, like 2 cents extra in case someone has the same bid as you, and bid with 4 seconds left. If it's an item that you have to get the bid in on, maybe do like 6 seconds or 5 seconds to make sure that your bid gets through. Or if your internet or Wi-Fi sucks, maybe do a little more than that. But typically 4 seconds has worked great for me. It always goes through. If you try and do less than 4 seconds, you're playing with fire. Might not get the bid through. So yeah, that's my strategy. That's what I have used to win hundreds of auctions. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.